recording. Okay, Lamai. So in grade 9 also we have learned a little bit about binomial expressions like algebraic things like x, y, grade 9 right? But in grade 10 we are going to be learning a little bit more advanced version of binomial expressions, right? So first of all, what is a binomial expression? Binomial expression එක කියලා කියන්නේ ළමයි, if there are two terms, for an example, x, for example, x and y. So these are two terms. Binomial, bi means two. If there are two terms which are separated by a plus or a minus, we call this a binomial expression. Okay. So then if you take x plus 3, this is a binomial expression. If you take a minus 4, this is a binomial expression. So binomial expressions are expressions. Right? Binomial expressions are expressions where there are two terms which are separated by either an addition or a subtraction. Okay. So in grade 9, we have learned a little bit. So I will ask you a question. 3a multiplied by minus 5b. Can you all tell me the answer to this? Can you all tell me the answer to this?
15 minus AB.
Sorry? 15?
15 minus AB.
15 minus AB, okay. Minus 15AB, okay. If you can't unmute, you can also use the chat box. First of all, we multiply the numbers. When you have two different terms where you have to multiply, you first multiply the numbers. 3 times 5 is 50. Then you multiply the letters. A times B is AB. And finally, you multiply the signs. Here the sign is plus, here the sign is minus. Plus times minus now answer katene minus. So it's minus 15 AB. Just to revise a bit, plus එකකුයි multiply වෙනවා නම් answer ke sign එකත් plus. You know this, right? When the same sign multiplies, the answer gets plus. Minus multiplied by minus also answer is plus. Plus multiplied by minus, different signs are multiplied, then the answer becomes minus, right? If the same sign is multiplied, answer gets plus. If different signs are multiplied, answer gets minus. So here there are different signs. So when you multiply, the answer gets minus, right? So minus 15 AB. What about this? Let's say something like question number 1, question number 2. Let's give can you all tell me the answer to this one?
$40xy.
Okay, I got one answer as 40xy. Others?
$40xy.
I got another answer as 40xy. Others? I got another answer, same thing. Okay, yes, good. First, we multiply the numbers. 4 times 10 is 40. Then we multiply the letters. X times y is xy. Then, Balanda, here the sign is minus. Here also the sign is minus. When two minuses are multiplied, the answer gets plus. When the answer is plus, you don't have to mention plus. You can just leave it like this. Or plus you can even leave it like this. So the answer is 40xy. Good. What if I give you something like this? Can you find the answer to this? Can you find the answer to this quickly? I'll give you 1 minute.
CP plus 12.
Okay.
Minus 3p plus 12.
Okay. I'm also getting the answers in the chat box. Okay. Yes. Let's see. Minus 3 multiplied by p. So when you have a bracket and there's an expression in the bracket and there's a number at the front, how do we do it? First of all, I multiply minus 3 by p. So 3 times 3, මෙතන මුකුත් නැහැ, මෙතන 1 නේ තියෙන්නේ. So 3 times 1 is 3. Then here there is p. Here minus, in front of p there is plus. මොනවත් නැහැ කියන්නේ there is plus, right? So minus times plus, answer gets minus. Then minus 3 multiplied by minus 4. 3 times 4 is 12. Minus times minus is plus. So it's minus 3p plus 12. Okay. Then, what if you get something like this? This is something you have learned in grade 9. Can you calculate? Can you find the answer for me? Can you find the answer for me? You can let me know in the chat box or you can unmute and tell.
X squared plus 5x plus 6.
X squared plus 5x plus 6. Okay, others? How do we do something like this? Yes. First of all, here the first term is x, right? Xi multiplied by x here. So x times x is x squared, right? So x times x means x squared. So I put x squared. Here there is plus. Here also there is plus. Mukut nahi kene plus nene. So plus times plus, answer also gets plus. You don't have to mention it. Then this I'm going to multiply by this. X multiplied by 2 is 2x. Here plus times plus, answer also is plus. Then this times this. 3 times x is 3x. This is plus, so plus times plus, answer is also plus. Then this times this. 3 times 2 is 6, again plus, so plus times plus, answer also gets plus. Then x squared I write as it is 2x plus 3x. You can add those, then it will become 5x plus 6. So that is the answer. Good. Let's try, we're going to try 2 more. Let's see. X minus 4, x plus 5. Can you all find the answer to this? I will set a timer for 1 minute. X minus 4, x plus 5. Quickly.
X squared plus x minus 20.
Okay, I got one answer. Okay, time's up. Let's see. Ban mehmad kare කියලා. X multiplied by X, the answer is X squared. May I get plus, so answer also gets plus. Then X multiplied by 5 is 5X. This has plus, so the answer also gets plus. Then 4 multiplied by X is 4X, right? Then balana metana, this has minus and this has plus. Minus times plus, answer gets minus. Why different signs now? Mage minus, mage plus. So the answer gets minus. And then this times this. 4 times 5 is 20. Again, minus times plus. Different signs are multiplied, so answer gets minus. So x squared plus 5x minus 4x means 1x remaining. 1x kill the mat kamak na. You can just leave it as x. Minus 20. Is this clear, Lamai? Up to this point, is it clear to all of you? Give me a thumbs up, please. Okay. Can you all quickly copy this down? For the maths, I did not send a note. For science, of course, I sent a note for the seminar. For maths, I didn't send a note because no point, right? We have to handwrite anyways. I will set a timer for 3 minutes to copy this down. 4 minutes? Okay, quickly copy down. Make it fast. Okay. Make it fast, Lamai. This is just a revision of what we have done in grade 9, right? In grade 10, we are going to be learning it a little bit more advanced way. Once you're done writing this, we will learn about that as well. Okay, Lamai. So that is what we did in grade 9, right? Just a small revision. Now, put a topic. I hope you put the main topic of the lesson as well. Now put a subtopic. Product of two binomial expressions. Product of two binomial expressions. Okay, so let's look at an example. Let's say 3x plus 4, 2x plus 3. We had something like this. So this is also done in the same way as this, but we have to make sure that we don't get confused. So look at how I'm doing this very carefully. Okay. First of all, you take the first term of this one and then you multiply it by this. Okay. Okay, let's see. 3 times 2 is 6. X times x is x squared. Then here you know the sign is plus. Monat nakyane the sign is plus. Here also there's nothing, that means the sign is plus. So plus times plus, answer also gets plus, right? Plus usually api danna ඕනේ නැහැ, so we can just not write it here. Okay? So monat nakyane, that means it's plus. Okay? Then මෙයාව multiply කරනවා මෙයාගේ. 3 times 3 is 9. මෙතන 3 තියෙනවා, මෙතන 3 තියෙනවා. 3 times 3 is 9. Here there is x, here mukut naha, so I will just put that x. Here there's nothing means there is plus. Here also there is plus. Plus times plus means answer gets plus. Okay. Then the mitten we have 3xy multiplied by 2x and 3 both. Now let's move on to 4. 4 multiplied by 2x. Let's see. 4 times 2 is 8. This doesn't have a letter, but this has x, so I will put x. Here there is plus. Here there's nothing means here also there is plus. Plus times plus, answer gets plus. Then this multiplied by this. 4 times 3 is 12. This has plus. This also has plus. Plus times plus, answer also gets plus. Up to that step, is it clear to all of you? Please give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, you can ask. Huh? Okay. Now, x squared කියලා ඉන්නේ මෙයා විතරයිනේ, so I will write it just as it is 6x squared. නිකන් x තියෙනවා දෙකක් ඉන්නවා. This is 9x, this is 8x. So 9x plus 8x, 9 plus 8 is 17, right? So 9x plus 8x would be 17x. This 12 nikam number, so I will just write it as 12. And that is my final answer. Is the whole thing clear? Is the final step also clear, Lamai? Okay. I'm going to learn time, but let's discuss another example. 7a minus 2. Let's say 7a minus 2b. 3a plus 4b. Now let's see how we can multiply this one. Okay, so first of all, 7 I multiply by 3a. 7 times 3 is 21, no? Numbers to multiply karna. So when you multiply the numbers first, 7 times 3 is 21. Then let's multiply the letters. Here there is A, here there is A. A multiplied by A means A squared. Then here there is plus. Here also there is plus. Mukut naha kene plus neda. So plus times plus, answer also gets plus. Since it's plus, we don't have to write it. We can just leave it like this. 21A squared. Then this I'm going to multiply by this. Let's see. 7 multiplied by 4 is 28. Here there is A, here there is B. A multiplied by B is AB. Here there is plus. Here also there is plus. Plus times plus, answer also gets plus. Okay. Then 7A ivarai. Then api 2B babalam. This multiplied by this. Let's see. 2 times 3 is 6. Here B, here A. So B times B multiplied by A is AB. Metanat AB තිරෙද මම AB විදිහටම ලියනවා, not BA. Here minus, here plus. Minus times plus, answer gets minus. So minus. Then this multiplied by this. 2 times 4 is 8. Here B, B times B is B squared. Here minus, here plus, minus times plus is minus. Okay, up to that step, is it clear? Okay, others? Others, is it clear? Okay. So A squared විදිහට මෙයා විතරයි. So මම ඒ term එක ලියනවා 21A squared. A, B කියලා දෙකක් ඉන්නවා. 28AB and 6 minus 6AB. So 28 minus 6 is 22. So I will write this as 22AB. When you are subtracting different signs, lamai, then මෙයාගේ තියෙන්නේ plus නේ. මෙයාගේ ඉස්සරහා තියෙන්නේ minus. When you are subtracting different signs, ලොකු number එකෙන් පොඩි number එකව අඩු කරලා ලොකු number එකේ sign එක දානවා. So ලොකු number එක 28, පොඩි number එක 6. So 28 minus 6 is 22. ලොකු number එකේ sign එක කියන්නේ 28 ගේ sign එක, which is plus. So I put plus as the answer. Then I have here minus 8B squared. This is the answer. Is this clear to all of you? Thumbs up. I'm going to ask you to give thumbs up a lot because we have to make sure you understand everything, right? Others? I'm going to material. What about others? Okay. Can you all quickly write these two examples down? I hope you have a book or a piece of paper or something. So write these down. Then I will give you one to do alone. Quickly write this. Make it fast. Okay, most of you seem to be done. I'll give you 1 more minute. Okay, now I will give you one to do alone. Um, let's say 11p mm, okay, find the answer to this one. Find the answer to this. I will give you 2 minutes. Make it fast. I have put a timer, so quickly write. Okay, Lama, have you all finished? Give me a thumbs up if you have finished.
Finish, miss.
Okay. Okay. Let's see. 11p multiplied by 6p. 11 multiplied by 6 is 66. P multiplied by p is p squared. This has plus, this has plus. So plus times plus answer also is plus. So we don't have to put it. 11p multiplied by minus 7q. 11 times 7 is 77. P times q is pq. This has plus, this has minus. So plus times minus, answer is minus. Then minus 8q multiplied by 6p. 8 times 6 is 48. P times q is pq. Here minus, here plus, minus times plus, answer is also minus, right? Different signs multiplied, answer is minus. Then minus 8q multiplied by minus 7q. 8 times 7 is 56. Q times q is q squared. Minus times minus, answer is plus. Up to this step, did you all get the answer, Lamai? Give me a thumbs up if you did.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Then p squared in මෙයා විතරයි, so I will just write it as 66p squared. Minus මෙයා pq, මෙයා pq. This is minus 77pq minus 48pq. Meagit minus, since they have the same sign, I will add the numbers. So 77, 48. 7 plus 8 is 15. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. That is 125. So 125 PQ. Then again, sign a minus in the answer also gets minus. And here we have plus 56 Q square. Is this clear, Lomai? Okay. Now, okay. Now we'll go to exercise 4.1. Yes.
Yes.
Any question, Lamai? No, okay. In exercise 4.1, in the first question, can you all do okay? Because if we practice the difficult ones, easy ones are anyways easy, ne? So difficult ka copy karamu. Let's do K තියන්නේ 4m minus 3n 4m minus 3n. Then n, do n also. n වල තියන්නේ 1 over 3p plus 1 over 2q. Then 2 over 3p minus 3 over 4q. Do these two, Lamai. K and N. Quickly do. If you have any questions, you can ask anytime. Huh? I hope you are doing, Lamai. When you are done, let me know in the chat box. Okay, seems like most of you are done. Have you finished both? आप एक discuss करूँ. Once we discuss that, I will give like 1 extra minute for n. Okay. All right. 4m multiplied by 4m. 4 times 4 is 16. M times m is m squared. Plus times plus, answer is plus. Then 4m multiplied by minus 3n. 4 times 3 is 12. M times n is mn. Here this is plus, this is minus. So plus times minus, answer is minus. Then minus 3n times plus 4m. 3 times 4 is still 12, no? 3 times 4 is 12. N times m is mn. Minus times plus is minus. Then minus 3n multiplied by minus 3n. 3 times 3 is 9. N times n is n squared. Minus times minus is plus. So 16m squared minus 12mn minus 12mn means minus 24mn plus 9n squared. Is this clear, Lama? Did you all get this?
Yes, miss.
Others? Good. Any this one is a bit difficult, no? Because there are fractions and all. Give me a thumbs up if you have finished in. Can you discuss M? Yes, I'll discuss M. After we discuss N, we'll do M. Okay, let's see then. This is the N, na? 1/3p multiplied by 2/3p. Okay. Now, we have to multiply the fractions now. Here there is 1/3. Here there is 2/3. The method of multiply it's a bit complicated, so I will multiply it on the side. 1/3 multiplied by 2/3. 1/3 multiplied by 2/3. We're not capping in there, so 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times 3 is 9. So answer is 2/9. Okay, let's come here. So 1/3 multiplied by 2/3, answer is 2/9. P times P is P squared. Plus times plus, answer also gets plus. Then 1/3p multiplied by, I'm sorry, Lamai. 1/3p multiplied by minus 3/4q. Fractions multiply. Here the fraction is 1/3. Here the fraction is 3/4. 1/3, 3/4. Let's see. 1/3 multiplied by 3/4. Can you see this 3 and this 3 cancels off? Then what do we have remaining? 1 times 1, 1. 4 so 1/4. Now, coming to this, 1/3 multiplied by 3/4, that would be 1/4. Here plus, here minus, so plus times minus, answer is minus. Then here the letter is P, here the letter is Q, P times Q, answer is PQ. Okay. Then this and this. Fraction multiply here the fraction is 1/2. Here the fraction is 2/3. Okay, we'll see. 1/2 multiplied by 2/3. 1/2 multiplied by 2/3. Here also we can see lamai may 2 ekai cancel. So on the top we have 1. For the new denominator we have 3. So answer is 1/3. So 1/2 multiplied by 2/3, answer is 1/3. Here Q, here P. Q multiplied by P is PQ. Here plus, here also plus. Plus times plus, answer is also plus. Then 1/2Q multiplied by minus 3/4Q. Only fractions multiply. Here 1/2, here 3/4. Let's come here. 1/2 multiplied by 3/4. Nothing is getting cancelled off, so we will just multiply. 3 times 1 is 3. 2 times 4 is 8. 3/8. So 1/2 multiplied by 3/4 is 3/8. Q multiplied by Q is Q squared. Plus multiplied by minus, answer is minus. Is this step clear to all of you, Lamai? Okay, others? Okay. Okay, let's move on. Now here P squared thin mea with rise, so I will write it as 2/9 P squared. Now look at this one. PQ in a then nekinna. This is minus 1/4 PQ. This is plus 1/3 PQ. PQ එක අපි නිකම්ම මෙහෙම දාමුකෝ. Answer කරත් PQ ම නෙන්නේ. Here this is minus 1/4 plus 1/3. Minus 1/4 plus 1/3. How do I simplify this? What is the first step to simplifying this? When we are now multiplying fractions is easy. Cancel whenever cancel color, you just multiply. Addition and subtraction fractions.
Make the denominators equal.
Very good. We get the common denominator. So here the denominator is 4. Here the denominator is 3. So what is the common denominator?
12.
Hmm?
12.
12. Common denominator is 12. So 4 over 12 you have to multiply by 3. So this also I will multiply by 3. 3 over 12 I multiply by 4. So this also I multiply by 4. So minus 1 times 3 is minus 3. Plus 1 times 4 is plus 4. So minus 3 plus 4 means plus 1. Plus 1 over 12. Okay, plus 1 over 12. So I will take it here. Plus 1 over 12. PQ comma then not meaning the answer get there is PQ, no problem. And then here there is 3 over 8 Q squared. Is this clear, Lamai? Thumbs up. Others? Okay, since you all have asked to discuss M as well, M api karana mama time dunna, but api M product discuss karamu. Because in M also there are fractions, no? Question M. So that is 1 over 2x plus y, 2x plus 3y. Okay, we'll see. 1 over 2x multiplied by 2x. Mulimma api numbers deka multiply karamu 1 over 2 multiplied by 2. Let's see. 1 over 2 multiplied by 2. We can see here 2 gets cancelled off. 2 cancel vela apita 1 with right? So 1 over 2x multiplied by 2x. Then 1 over 2 and 2 multiplied karama cancel vela 1 ituruna. X times x is x squared. Plus times plus is plus. May 1 එක ලිව්වේ නැතත් කමක් නැහැ. You can just leave it as x squared. Then 1 over 2x multiplied by 3y. So අපි මුලින්ම numbers multiply කරමු. Here 1 over 2, here 3. Right? 1 over 2 multiplied by 3. Nothing is getting cancelled off. So 3 times 1 is 3 over 2. So 3 over 2. Here there is x. Here there is y. So xy. Here plus, so answer also gets plus. Then y multiplied by 2x. Sorry. Yes, y multiplied by 2x. Ekanang lazy, there is the only number is 2. I will write it as 2. X times y is xy. Plus times plus is plus. And finally, y multiplied by 3y. Number 3, so I will keep 3. Y times y is y squared. Plus times plus, answer is plus. Is this step clear to all of you? Thumbs up. Okay. Then x squared. 1 mea 3 over 2xy, mea 2xy. So xy amathak because both of them have xy. So answer will anyways have xy. Let's look at the numbers. Here 3 over 2, here 2. Let's add those. 3 over 2 plus 2. What is the first step of simplifying this? What is the first step of simplifying this?
2 a fraction.
Make 2 a fraction. How do you make 2 a fraction? Now 2 a numerator ka tiyanawa. Does 2 have a denominator?
No. So we put 1 down.
Yes. So the denominator, if there's a whole number without any denominator, that means the denominator is 1. Then what is the next step?
We make the denominators equal and then add the numerators.
Yes. we make the denominator equal. That means we are going to get the common denominator. So, මෙතන 2 තියෙනවා, මෙතන 1 තියෙනවා. Excuse me. So, to make it the common denominator should be 2, no? So, I multiply this by 2. So, I also have to multiply this by 2. So, here 3 plus 2 times 2 is 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 divided by 2. And that is the answer. So, I'll come here. Made the number simplify karama, we get 7 divided by 2 plus plus, answer get a plus. Here we have 3y squared. This is the answer. Is this clear to you, Lamai? Give me a thumbs up. Others? Others, is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Let's move on to the next section. Liana topic එක square of a binomial expression. Square of a binomial expression. Okay. By the way, yes, I'm sorry. I will give you time for recorrections. But recorrections at a time එක දෙන්න බැරි වුණා. I'll give you like 3 minutes. 3 minutes would be enough, no? 3 minutes then I'm like recorrections stick කරගන්න. Okay, Lamai. Now we'll move on to the new part, square of a binomial expression. Okay. So let's say we have a binomial. Can you all hear me, Lamai? Give me a thumbs up if you can hear me. All right, okay. So let's take an example. X plus y squared. So there's a binomial expression. You have to find the square term of that. So how would we do this? X plus y squared means x plus y multiplied by x plus y. Neither. So x multiplied by x is x squared. Then x multiplied by y is xy. Plus times plus is plus. Then y multiplied by x is xy. Plus times plus is plus. Then y multiplied by y is y squared. Plus times plus is plus. So x squared plus xy means 2xy plus y squared. Is this simplification clear to you, Lamai? Is this simplification clear to you? What about others? Give me a thumbs up, please. This is just like what we learned now a few minutes ago, right? Now I'm going to show you the shortcut, right? So this is like the long version. I will show you the shortcut. There is a shortcut, huh? ඔයා මොකද කරන්නේ මුලින්ම sorry, wait. You take the square of the first term. Make any first term එක. මෙයාගේ square එක මොකක්ද? So this is plus x. X වල square එක කියන්නේ x times x, which is x squared. So you take the square of the first term. The first term is x, so square of the first term is x squared. Okay. Then what you're going to do is, you're going to multiply the first term, the second term, and this two. Right? So, first term is x, second term is y. So, x plus x multiplied by y is xy. xy multiplied by 2 is 2xy. So, you get the answer as 2xy. This is plus times plus is plus. Yes, Ismail.
Miss, can we write it also as 2yx? Is that
It's okay, problem? Yes. We can write it as 2yx. No problem at all. Ara සාමාන්‍යයෙන් අපි xy කියලා like because it's just familiar and it rolls on the tongue, so that's why we say xy. But if you want, you can say yx too. No problem.
SME in order again.
Oh, සාමාන්‍යයෙන් අපි when we use letters, the better practice would be to write like say it out or write it in the alphabetical order. So x මුලින් තියෙන හින්දා තමයි අපි සාමාන්‍යයෙන් x and then y කියලා කියන්නේ. But even if you write yx, no problem at all. They can never mark it wrong. Okay. So, what did I do again? First term make a multiply kara, second term making ek multiply kara me 2 ge. Yes, I will explain again. Mulima first term make square ka gatta, so x square. Then first term make a multiply kara, second term making multiply kara me 2 ge. X times y is xy, xy times 2 is 2xy. Then sign එක බලමු. Here there is plus, here there is plus. So plus times plus answer is plus. And here also there is plus. So plus times plus answer is plus. Is that clear? Get me, is it clear? Okay. Then finally second term එක square එක ගන්නවා. Second term is y no. Y ගේ square එක කියන්නේ y squared. Plus times plus answer is plus. Balanna, in this long method, 1, 2, 3, it took us 3 steps. But in the shortcut, we only need 1 step. So this is always the best way to find square of a binomial expression. Is this clear to you, Lamai?
Yes.
Hi. Mulima make a copy karagana, then we will do a lot of examples together so you won't have a problem, like you will understand it better. First of all, copy down this one, make it fast. I will give you 3 minutes. Quickly copy this down. Yes, Lamai. So, since you have asked about classes, the Maths English medium class for grade 10 is on Wednesday, 7 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Wednesday. Science class is on Tuesday. Maths class is on Wednesday, 7 to 9:30 p.m. And in maths, we are doing congruence of triangles, which is the 5th lesson. We are actually moving a bit fast, but yeah. If you even if you join now the previous lessons, of course I can give recordings. But currently we are doing the 5th lesson. We are almost done in the 5th lesson, so I think we have to move to the 6th one next week.
Science එක කියවෙන lesson එක.
Sorry, Hamda.
Science එක කියවෙන lesson එක.
මොන lesson එකද?
Science එක කියවෙන lesson එක.
Science එකේ අපි දැන් යන්නේ 3rd lesson එක. ඒක නම් 3rd lesson එකේ මුල හරි අපි කරන්නේ. පළවෙනි ඒ කියන්නේ planetary model කියලා තියෙන 3rd lesson එකේ ඒ හරිය තමයි අපි කරන්නේ class එකේ. අද seminar එකේ අපි චුට්ටක් ඊට වඩා කරා. Anyways, yes. So I think that answered your questions. So join when one of the things you can do is 1 second. One of the things you can do is you can 1 second. Let me එකක් තමයි ඔයගාන පුළුවන් WhatsApp එකේ message එකක් දාන්න. So when you send a message on WhatsApp, we will contact you and we can share the details. If not, මම class registration form එකක් දාන්නම්. ඒක මම උදේ class එකකට දැම්මා. So if you are interested in joining classes, you can register through this thing. Okay. I think that's all for your questions, no? If you have any other questions, you can ask. Huh? All right. So let's go with another example. Example 2. Let's say something like x minus y squared. අපි usual විදිහට කරමු බලන්න. මුලින්ම ඔයාලට first term එකේ square එක ගන්නවා. First term is plus x. So first term එකේ square එක කියන්නේ plus x multiplied by plus x. So x times x means x squared. Then first term multiplied by the second term multiplied by 2. X times y times 2 means 2xy. Now let's look at the sign. මෙයාගේ sign එක plus. Plus times minus is minus. Minus times plus is minus. So මෙතනට එන්නේ minus. Then ඊළඟට අපි මෙන්න මෙයාගේ square එක ගන්නවා. Second term එකේ square. So y times y is y squared. Minus times minus is plus. So we get x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. Is this clear to you, Lamai?
So how did it become plus y square?
Here, for y squared, we are taking the square of the second term, right? So second term is minus y squared. Ne? So minus y squared means minus y multiplied by minus y. Y times y is y squared. Minus times minus is plus. Because when the same sign is multiplied, the answer is always plus. When different signs are multiplied, the answer is minus. Is it clear, Ismail?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Any other questions? Any other questions, Lamai? Okay. Let's do another one. Na? Mogan time then medically anna pitave kakkaramo. Let's say p minus 8 squared. First term ke square. First term is p. P ke square ke p squared. Then first term multiplied by second term multiply this 2. P times 8 is 8p. 8p multiplied by 2 is 16p. May I get plus? So plus times minus is minus. Minus times plus is minus. Then second term is square. Second term is minus 8. So 8 times 8 is 64. Minus times minus is plus. Is that clear to you, Lamai? Thumbs up. If you have questions, ask her. Doesn't seem like you understood. There are not many thumbs ups coming.
Yeah.
Okay. 16 naave. Let me explain. මැද එක ගන්නේ first term multiplied by the second term multiplied by 2. So p multiplied by second term is 8 multiplied by 2. P times 8 is 8p. 8p multiplied by 2 is 16p. Then මෙයාගේ sign එක plus, මෙයාගේ minus, මෙයාගේ plus. So plus times minus is minus. Minus times plus is minus. So it's minus 16p. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Tinuti, is it clear? Okay. Let's do another example. and then I will give you some time to write. Let's do a little bit slightly more advanced one. Minus 3p plus 2q squared. Okay. Mulima first term में के square का गाना. First term is minus 3p. Mulima number के बालू. 3 times 3 is 9. P times p is p squared. Minus times minus, answer is plus. Right? Then, first term में का multiplied by second term में का multiplied by 2. Mulima पे number का multiply करूँ. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. So 12. Then letters. Here there is P. Here there is Q. Then sign neka. Here minus times plus is minus. Minus times plus is still minus. So I put as minus. Then second term make square. Second term is this. Ag square tamai liyando. So 2 times 2 is 4. Q times Q is Q squared. Plus times plus is plus. So this is the answer. Is it clear again? Thumbs up. Okay. Can you all copy this down, Lamai? 2, 3, 4, tuna copy karega ek minute. I will give you 3 minutes. Make it fast. If you have any questions, please do ask. One second, Lamai. I'll explain the fourth one again. How did we get the fourth one? Mulimma first term ke square ka gana. Minus 3p ke square ka. So 3 times 3 is 9. P times p is p squared. Minus times minus is plus. So minus 3p ke square ka plus 9p squared. Is that part clear? Met me, is that clear? First term ke square ka gatte ka? First term is minus 3p na. So minus 3p ke square ka. Okay. Ilangata, this multiplied by this multiplied by this. Mulima, look at the number here. This is 3, 2 and 2. So 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. Here there is P. Here there is Q. Here there are no letters. So it's just PQ. Then here, minus times plus is minus. Minus times plus is minus. So I put minus here. Is that part clear, met me? Okay. Then finally, we are taking the square of the second term. Second term is plus 2q, right? Plus 2q square ka tama pe gandol. So 2 times 2 is 4. Q times q is q squared. Plus times plus is plus. So etakota meyage square kenne plus 4q squared. Is that clear again? Okay, great. Then copy down. Others also, if you all have any questions, please do ask. I will set the timer now. Make it fast. Okay, Lamai. Have you all finished writing? Give me a thumbs up.
Yes.
Okay, now I will let you do some questions alone. Go to exercise 4. Any question? Okay. Go to exercise 4.2. In the second one, the second big question, can you all try අපි චුට්ටක් අමාරු කීපයක් try කරමු. Mm, let's try KLMN. I will put the questions in the whiteboard as well. In the second question, KLMN. K is minus 2y plus 5 squared. L is 3a minus 5b squared. Then M is minus 3m plus n squared, because some of you said you don't have the textbook. That's why I'm writing the questions on the board. Huh? Then n is minus 5m minus 6n squared. Yeah. Okay, quickly do this. I think I'll give you 6 minutes. I will set a timer. මම ගොඩක් time එකක් දාන්නේ because you know that maths is the kind of paper that you like, even if you prepare well, sometimes you run out of time. So that's why from grade 10 onwards, you have to practice writing fast and, speeding up. So I'm just helping you with your speed. Time එකක් තිබ්බහම පොඩක් තියෙනවානේ time එක ගැන idea එකක්. That's why. Okay, 6 minutes. Make it fast. If you have questions, you can ask. Huh? You have 1 minute left. Lama, have you all finished? Give me a thumbs up if you have finished. Others? Only some of you have finished, it seems. What about others? Okay, we'll see. Check if your answers are correct, huh? First term के square का. So minus 2y के square का. 2 times 2 is 4. Y times y is y squared. Minus times minus is plus. मैं plus का दम में नतात कमक ने. Then first term multiplied by second term multiplied by 2. So 2 times 5 is 10. 10 times 2 is 20. Y, ekama letter ka y with rise, so I put y. Then sign agatot minus times plus is minus. Minus times betantene plus ne. Minus times plus is minus. Then second term ke square ka. Second term is plus 5. 5 is square ka 25. Plus times plus, answer is also plus. Did you all get this answer? Thumbs up. Okay, then this one. First term के square. First term is 3a. Square of 3a is 3 times 3, 9. A times a square. Then first term multiplied by second term multiplied by 2. 3 times 5 is 15. 15 times 2 is 30. Letters in A and B with a right. So I put A, B. Here plus times minus is minus. Minus times plus is minus. Then second term के square. Second term is minus 5b आगे square का. 5 times 5 is 25. B times B is B squared. Minus times minus is plus. Did you all get this, Tamai? Thumbs up, please. Okay. Then this one. First term के square का. 3 times 3 is 9. M times M is M squared. Minus times minus plus. Then first term multiplied by second term multiplied by 2. So here 3 times mitra munat naikene 1. So 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. Letters in M and N. Then sign neka here minus times plus is minus. Minus times plus is minus. Then second term के square का. Second term is n. N के square का क्या n squared. Plus times plus answer is also plus. Is it clear, Lamai? Thumbs up. Okay. Then this one. First term के square का 5 times 5 25. M times M M squared. Minus times minus plus. Then first term multiplied by second term multiplied by 2. 5 times 6 is 30. 30 times 2 is 60. Letters in M and N. Minus times minus is plus. Plus times plus is plus. Then second term के square. Second term is minus 6n. So 6 times 6 36. N times n squared and minus times minus plus. This also clear? Thumbs up. Okay, Lamai. May exercise के the most difficult questions are in the miscellaneous exercise 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So एक discuss करने कालिंग we will discuss another question. Okay. Can you all do this in the miscellaneous exercise, the third question? Go to the miscellaneous exercise, Lamai. Miscellaneous exercise. Go to the third question. 1 second, I'm trying to get the question to the whiteboard, but it's not easy. Who doesn't have a textbook? Anybody who doesn't have a textbook? Okay, then page 46, miscellaneous exercise, third question. You don't have, okay, all right. No problem. Then I hope you can see the board, miscellaneous exercise, third question. So there you have to fill in the blanks. Can you all do this one? It's not that difficult. Quickly finish. I will give this 5 minutes. Make it fast. Okay, Lamai, did you all do this? Give me a thumbs up if you all finished this. Okay. Tell me what comes to the blank here. What comes to the blank here?
3.
3. Okay, we'll see. Okay, so first term ke square x, so x ke square ke x squared, okay. Then x multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 is 6x. Okay. Yes, 3 is correct. Then what comes here? Yes.
Nine.
9, yes, because second term ke square, the second term is 3, 3 ke square ke 9. So that comes here. Good. Then what comes here? මේ middle term එක හැදෙන්නේ කොහොමද? This multiplied by this multiplied by this. So yes, it should be 4. Then y multiplied by 4 is 4y. 4y multiplied by 2 is 8y. Then that is correct. එහෙනම් මෙයාගේ square එක තමයි මෙතනට එන්නේ. So that would be 16. Then what comes here?
X.
X, yes. Because anyways, මෙයාගේ square එක මෙතනට එනවා. If this is x squared, this should be x. Then what comes here?
10.
10x, no? Because here, x times 5 times 2 would be 10x. So it's 10x. Okay. Then what about this? What comes here? X. Yes. And what comes here?
Y. Y.
No.
Y. XY squared.
No.
2XY.
2xy. Why මෙතන මැද term එක එන්නේ? This multiplied by this multiplied by this. So x multiplied by y is xy. Xy multiplied by 2 is 2xy. එහෙම තමයි ඒක එන්නේ. Is this clear to all of you, ළමයි? Okay. I told you in the miscellaneous exercise, the last 5 questions are quite difficult. මම ඒකේ 5th question එක පොඩ්ඩක් discuss කරන්නම් before we end the seminar because that is quite important. This is the 5th question of the seminar. Sorry, miscellaneous exercise. Find the value of x squared plus y squared when x plus y is 5 and xy is 6. ඒක හරන්නේ මෙහෙම. Now we know x plus y squared. So make diagram. I mean, when you extend this, what is the answer we get? We take the square of the first term. First term is x. So square of x is x squared. Plus, we multiply the first term, the second term, and 2. X times y is xy. Xy times 2 is 2xy. And then we take the square of the second term. Second term is y. So square of the second term is y squared. Okay. Is that clear, Lamay?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So they say x plus y is 5. X plus y is 5. So method x plus y, whenever I write 5. Instead of x plus y, I write 5. Equals. Apeng x squared plus y squared. So here I have x squared. This y squared, I will bring it forward like this. This is y squared. plus 2xy. So here 5 squared is 25 equals x squared plus y squared. We don't know. That is what they're asking us. Plus 2. But xy is 6, no? Xy is 6. And here, instead of xy, I can write 6. So 25 equals x squared plus y squared plus 2 times 6 is 12. Then this 12, when you bring it to this side, it becomes minus. Here, this is plus, no? So when I bring it to the other side, it becomes minus. Equals x squared plus y squared. So 25 minus 12 is 13. X squared plus y squared is therefore equal to 13. What one make අනිත් පැත්ත හරවලා ලියන්නත් පුළුවන්.
12 ඉන්නේ කොහොමද?
ඉන්න මම කියන්න. මෙතන 12 එන්නේ 12 එන්නේ wait. Is this step clear, Hamda?
Yes.
Then this step?
Yes.
Yes, මේ කියන්නේ මේ y squared එක මම ඉස්සරහට ගෙනලා 2x5 පිටිපස්සට ගෙනාවා. ඒක clear නේද?
ඔව්.
හරි. දැන් මෙතන 2xy means 2 multiplied by x multiplied by y කියන එකනේ. බලන්න question එකේ xy කියන්නේ 6 කියලා දීලා තියෙනවා. එහෙනම් මෙතන 2 එහෙමම ලියනවා 2 multiplied by මේ xy වෙනුවට මම 6 ලියනවා because they have said xy is 6. Then 2 multiplied by 6 තමයි මට 12 ආවේ. ඒක clear ද හම්දා?
ඔව්.
හරි. අනිතාට තේරුණාද ළමයි මේ question එක? The answer is it clear? Give me a thumbs up. Okay. Copy this down fast. While you copy this down, මුලින්ම copy කරගන්නකො. No, actually, grade 10 science and maths classes have started. We actually started in December. December will start kare. Then api maths well, as I said previously, we are doing the 5th lesson. Science well, we are doing the 3rd lesson. So it's not something we are going to start. We already started. Yeah, of course. You can get the recording. I mean, if you join the class, you can get the recording of previous classes. Okay. Okay. Okay, Lamai, then we will end the seminar. So before we end, do you all have any questions from everything that we did today, or is everything clear? If everything is clear, give me a thumbs up.
Clear.
Okay. Okay, Lamai, then among science seminar ke to QA. So I think most of you are in the Hope community groups. Stay there because there will be many updates because we will be doing a lot more free seminars. We do like once every 2 months, 3 months wage. And also like science seminar ke mama kiwa MCQ quizzes තියෙනවා Hope education website එකේ ඒවා ගැන ඔක්කොම details ඒ ඔක්කොම group එකේ තමයි දාන්නේ. So you can stay in the group and get updates and seminars තියෙන කවද්ද and අපේ මොන හරි website එකේ තියෙනවද so ඒ ඔක්කොම group එකේ දානවා. Yeah, so that's all. Thank you so much for joining today and yes Hamda.
Science එකේ අවුරුද්ද Tuesday ඊට
Science seminar sorry science class එක Tuesday තියෙන්නේ හවස 7 ඉඳන් 9 මාර වෙනකම්. හවස කියන්නේ රෑ 7 ඉඳන් 9 මාර වෙනකම්. maths එක තියෙන්නේ Wednesday හවස 7 ඉඳන් රෑ 9 මාර වෙනකම්. Okay. Okay then. See you hopefully in the next seminar. Thank you, Lamai. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Okay.